Hey and welcome to today's lesson of indicators. Indicators are tools which we traders use for our trades, and these indicators are like instruments which help us to find the right entry. In today's video I'm going to show you the RSI, one of the most popular and famous indicators in the whole trading space. How the RSI works, how you put it to your chart, and how you can use it to find the right trade entry, that I'm going to show you in this video. So if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say let's go. So guys, as I told you, today we're going to take a look on the RSI indicators. But before we're going to do that, we have to take a look what is an indicator. So an indicator is like a tool which we traders use to find the right trade entry. But it's not like that an indicator is guarantee you that your trade is going to be profitable, but the indicator is like a instrument which can help you. And as I told you, today we speak about the RSI. But before we start, we have to put the RSI here to our chart. And for this, we go here top on the indicators button, and if we click on it, you can see that there are like 100,000 of indicators here. But today we, as I told you, speak about the RSI, so we fill it here with RSI, and you can see RSI stands here for the relative strength index. So if we click on it, the RSI is directly coming up here. So now the RSI is in your chart, and it would work also as you can see it here. But in my eyes, it's very important that you have a directly and clear view on your indicator. And that's why I modify all time here my RSI. And today I want to show you how I do it. So what you have to do is you have to go here in the settings of the indicator. And if you click here, you can see that I'm here on the point of style. And what I do first here is that I switch my RSI color to white and make it like a bigger here, because that more looks clean in my eyes. So what I do next is click out the base MA and the background fill to have a better overview here. And last but not least, I'm going to color my upper band in red and my lower band here in green. After I did this, I click here on OK, and now you can see our RSI is here perfectly integrated to our chart. Before I continue here, I want to give you one example from other examples out of trading. So you can compare indicator with a tool if you repair a car. So for example, you have a screwdriver which help you to repair the car, but it's not guaranteed that the broken car will work after you repair it. So maybe you can compare this example here with trading. So the RSI is a strong help for us for our trading, but it's not our guarantee that we have 100% profitable trading. And that's very important for you to understand. So guys, first we have to take a look in detail to the RSI. So what the RSI is telling us when we take a look on. So as you can see, I colored my upper band here in red and my lower band in green. And all in all, as you can see, the RSI is going between the mark of 100 and the mark of 0. And the RSI is like an analysis tool for trends. So the RSI gives us momentum trends which we can use to find our right entry. So for this, we have here our red and our green line, because all in all, the RSI gives us information about if a chart or if an asset is overbought or oversold. And this stands in connection with long or short trade. So what does it mean right now? If we take a look here on the left side of the RSI, it's here in the middle of our zone, and that means that we are here in the consolidation. But after this, the RSI is coming up here to our red zone, and this would mean that if the RSI is crossing our red zone here, we are in an overbought area, and an overbought area means for us that we will place our short trades so that we will sell the market here. So on the opposite side, if we take a look here, if the RSI is coming to our green zone, that means our asset is oversold, and there we want to place our long trade. We want to buy our assets here, and this is the right entry zone. So guys, if we take a look here on the chart, I want to show you how this stuff works. So first of all, we take a look here on the Bitcoin asset, but all in all, this indicator works for every market. So it not depends if it's Forex, if it's crypto or whatever. It not depends, it works on any market. So what we see here, the market was there crashing here, and the RSI gave us here a strong signal that we are in an oversold area, and that means for us that we want to place here on the peak in this area our long trade. And if we take a look now and we would do it here, and we take the peak for example, which would be like here, and we would go here for example now with a 2-to-1 chance risk factor. So we say, okay, I want to make my stop loss here on a level of 2%, and my take profit I want to do here on 4%. So my profit is doubled against my loss area. And if we take a look here, this trade would perfectly work, and we would make, because of the RSI here, a perfectly trade and a perfect profit. So if we take the opposite here, for example, a short trade, we can see that RSI is coming here to our red zone, and that means for us that we are here in an overbought situation, and the percentage here is much higher that we see a correction down. So if we would place a short trade here, example here, same, we go here with the peak and we say again, okay, our stop loss is here with 2% and our take profit is going here with 4%, then you can see that because of the RSI, also this trade would here like perfectly work here, and again we would hit here our take profit. So guys, that's it about the RSI. So all in all, the RSI is a very strong indicator which can help you to find the right entry, but it's not a guarantee, so be very important here. In the following videos, I will show you some of my favorite indicators. RSI is one of them, but all in all, I'm using all the time around 5 indicators for my trading. So I will explain and show you all of these indicators. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or you want to see any other indicators, let me know in the comments, and I would say goodbye, guys.